Welcome back to my channel. Like I promised, this is another video and I'm going to show you how to tuck in your hair, especially when the hair you're braiding is a different color from the extension you're using. Our hair is really dark, so it's obvious I don't really need to do anything here, like anything tucking here. Yeah, so this is the red color and it looked really very beautiful. I didn't used to be a fan of red, but now I think I am. So yeah, this is, well, I think you just see what I was doing. It's not really easy to explain, but I remember telling you in my previous video of how the hair needs to always be by the side, left side. Okay, I don't think I have any way to explain or any word to explain laterally, so I'm going to use lateral. So yeah, make sure the hair is always lateral or on the left side or on the other side. As you can see here, usually if a hair or if one side of the hair is too much, the extension won't be able to cover the hair, so try as much as possible to separate the hair so that you'll be able to cover it. So yeah, that's it. Just make sure you put the hair by the left or right or laterally. I think laterally is better. Just make sure it's always on the other side, not middle. I really loved the red anyway. We did black and red, and we used 2 packs each. She had the bottom of her hair shaved. Don't forget to like as you're watching. Subscribe if you're not yet subscribed. It ain't gonna cost you anything. Just support okay? Por favor, dale un me gusta. Compártelo con tus amigos, con tus familiares, no sé, tus enemigos también. Y por favor que suscriban a mi canal. Cada semana pues subo un video cada semana. Bueno, intento subir un video cada semana. If you can hear my dad's voice, I really made sure I closed all the doors, but if you can still hear it, I'm very sorry. I really apologize, but if you can't hear it, never mind. I wasn't, it's obvious she's not feeling pains anyway. Yeah, I should. So yeah, another example. 1, 2, to, like, I won't show you how to braid if you want. Not that if you want, if you like, you don't want, I will still show you the. I'll make a video where I'll be showing you how to grip the root. Is it the root? Yeah, the root. How to grip your hair really tight, but of course you don't have to, it mustn't be extremely tight. So yeah, you see here the hair is in the middle or medially. That's why you will still see the black. You see it's medially. I have to move it to the left to be able to hide it. You see it's in the middle and it looks too big, so that's why I'm separating or taking a little bit out of it to the other side. And when you see when I make, the black is still showing. Oh yeah, this is a good example. Now I will have to take that strand to the side. You see the black is still showing. Now I'll take it to the side, and that will be all. It will show again. So yeah, that's it. You can see, just make sure the hair is always by the side. If you see that it's coming to the middle or the medial side, just push it backwards. We don't need it. And of course, I plan on making natural hair videos too, because I've been natural for like since 2015. Yeah, but I kind of did another big job and started again last year. So it was last year. Yeah, last year June. So I'm yet to give. I think next month. Yeah, this coming month I'll be giving 1 year update on my natural hair. So as you can see, this beautiful color that I so much love, I was surprised it was so beautiful. Now I'm considering dyeing my hair red. Anyways, yeah, don't this, it's a little bit fast, okay? This speed, it's not like I was pushing her hair around or something. Yes, I think this is the last explanation I'll be doing. I'm talking too much. He's enough. He's enough. But you just see what I'm doing. To the left, yeah. To the left, to the left. Everything you own in the back to the left. Come on, my voice is. Oje, Beyonce. It means I'll be doing covers. Talent show. I will consider talent show. Okay, I'll stop talking. Just enjoy. Don't forget to share, subscribe. People, subscribe. Subscribe, oh. Let's help each other, okay? Por favor, dale me gusta, coméntalo. Puedes ir al, pues comenta abajo si quieres un video, si quieres que me explico con español o si hablas catalán y quieres que me lo explico en catalán, como quieras. Pero por favor, dale un me gusta y compártelo con tus amigos, con tus familias, con todos.
Por favor. Gracias.